E4, control the board. If they E5, we're ready to strike. Bishop to C4, aiming for the king. The game's heating up, let the strategy swing. It scours mate, this checkmate quick. Just 3 more moves, and it'll do the trick. Queen to H5, a double attack. Checkmate's coming, no turning back. They play knight F6, think they got a chance. The queen to F7 ends the dance. It's over now, the king's in despair. Scours mate caught them unaware. Checkmate fast, like a lightning bolt. Try it now, it's your winning result. Like and subscribe, let's sharpen your play. More chess tips coming your way.
It starts with F3, a risky play. Opening the king, a big mistake today. Black goes E5, taking the stage. The center's controlled, now turn the page. Fool's mate, it's the fastest checkmate. 2 moves in and it seals your fate. Queen to H4, the king's in trouble. Game's all over, burst that bubble. White plays G4, a fatal choice, leaving the king without a voice. Black's queen strikes, H4's the square. Checkmate's here, no time to spare. Don't be a fool, protect your king. Play it smart and you'll win the ring. Like and subscribe, become more in store. Learn chess fast and level up your score.
G5 pins the pawn inside. A6 attacks, but it's always 5. Dutch defense, a risky game. One more move, you're feeling the pain. Queen to H5, the king's in flight. Checkmate comes, no escape tonight. Bishop retreats to H4 square. G5 pushes black, thinks it's fair. E3 plays the traps in view. Black takes H4, but the queen breaks through. Queen to H5, the game is done. Dutch defense trap, now you've won. Like and subscribe for more chess fun. Checkmate magic for everyone.
With F4, the bird's full flight. Black plays E6 to set, feels right. White pushes G4, taking the chance, but the king's wide open, no defense stance. Queen to H4, checkmate call. The king can't run nowhere at all. Bird's opening trap, a lesson to learn. Protect your king or it's your turn to burn. 4 moves in, the game is done. Quick checkmate, black has won. Like and subscribe for chess so fun. Master the board and outplay everyone.
Caro-Kann play. D4, D5, the pawns lead the way. Knight to C3, white setting the stage. D takes E4, now black's engaged. Knight to D6, it's checkmate time. The king can't run, trapped in the line. Caro-Kann trap, a sneaky play. Win in style, the chessboard way. Knight takes E4, white takes control. Knight to D7, black's next goal. Queen to E2, a clever strike. Knight to F6, but it's too late. Knight to digs, the game is done. Checkmate's here, white has won. Like and subscribe, it's so much fun. Learn these traps and you'll stun everyone.